By the end of this video, you will be able to switch from cameras in your scene. So as you can see, this is playing and this is going to switch to the second camera. You can literally see that this camera, it was active at the start, then this camera is active by looking at the black triangles on top of them. And if we go into camera view, we can see that our camera is switching. We're going to learn how to add markers and bind our cameras to our markers. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to add in a camera that we're going to switch to in mid scene. So let's quickly move this camera up. Now you'll notice that this specific camera is filled up. So this triangle on top of it is filled up, and this triangle is not filled up. What this just means that if we press numpad 0, that is what the camera view is currently. So if you want to go into camera view for this guy over here, this camera over here, you have to press Control 0 to go to that scene. So Control and numpad 0. But first of all, you have to select that, obviously, and Control numpad 0 will let you go over there, okay? So this is our scene that we made in our last video, but this is quite boring. We want to add in another camera. So what I'm going to do is that at frame 30, we're going to switch our camera to this one over here. So we're going to quickly go over here. First things first, we're going to add in a marker. So M to add in a marker, and this is going to be our marker. The next thing we're going to do is bind our camera to this specific marker. So I have to select this camera and then Control B to bind this camera to this marker. And now you'll notice nothing's going to change, but now we're going to do for this to frame 1 to 30, this is going to be our camera that's going to be playing. From 1 to 30, it's going to be playing. Now, if we go scroll on, you'll see that still this first camera is because we need to add in another camera. So now at frame 31, we're going to add in another marker, and then we're going to select this camera over here, and then Control B, to then this is going to be our camera. So from 1 to 30, it's going to be this camera view, and then from frame 31 to 60, it's going to be this camera. And that is how we switch from cameras in our scene. So change to like different camera angles or camera shots, and it's very, very, very good. So let's animate our second camera very, very quickly. So it's going to be like this, and then we're going to get a side view of it. So maybe a side view, something looking like this. So let's to add a keyframe, and it's going to jump up. So let's quickly move our camera up, something like this. That might look cool, bit cool. Let's quickly see how that looks. So jump, or we might just make it stay on the floor. That might be a bit better. So like this, and maybe like zoom in once we're getting closer. So zoom in something like this. So and then this is what it looks like. So that is our camera. So let's see how it looks. And then it's going to jump like this. So this is how you basically switch from cameras in Blender. So this was a very short video. And in our next one, we are going to learn how to now make our final scene. We're going to tweak some stuff. And I'll see you guys in our next video.